Asus has launched its new Zenfone series phone globally called Zenfone 12 Ultra, with all new AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Zenfone 12 Ultra features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 2500 nits of peak brightness support. And on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Zenfone 12 Ultra sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's Lisha 700 sensor, and it supports gimbal optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 32-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 65 watts wired fast charging support, and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.8 by 77 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 220 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Zenfone 12 Ultra has been priced in Taiwan for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 29,990 new Taiwanese dollar, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 31,990 new Taiwanese dollar. The smartphone will be available for purchase in Sakura White, Ebony Black, and Sage Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.